I am a liver transplant surgeon. It's always my greatest fulfillment when the patient restores their health and get back to the family. But sometimes transplants are rejected and there's nothing we can do. This is because we don't completely understand how our immune system is regulated by our genetic code called DNA. 40 years after the first discovery of DNA, scientists finally decoded the human genome. The code comes out to be 4 fairly simple letters, A, T, C, and G. To build a human, you need 3 billion of them. As the most complicated creature, it's not surprising to have such a huge genome. But what surprises us is that only 1% is informative. So what about the other 99%? If they're not informative, then why do we carry such a huge amount of useless DNA? If we stretch out the entire genome, it's over 6 feet long. This is the height of an adult brown bear. How could this possibly fit into a single tiny cell? Actually, our DNA is extremely condensed and packaged into a substance called chromatin. The DNA is not squeezed and packed randomly like a bowl of messy spaghetti. Instead, it is folded into a very organized structure, territory by territory. Because our DNA is folded so tightly, not every part can be read. And my research focuses on how the structure of DNA changes in the immune response. In Batman, when Gotham City is in danger, they turn on the bat signal, and it's showtime. Similarly, our immune cells must turn on the danger signal in the form of changing their chromatin structure from closed to open to initiate the defense system. Let's do a small exercise. Can you see what's in my hand? Can you see the bat signal in my hand? Yes. So whether the chromatin is open or closed affects the activity of our immune cells. This is what we call the chromatin regulatory system. Amazingly, I have found the DNA regions originally considered useless change their chromatin structure, which allows our cells to fight off the deadly invaders. By sequencing the whole genome, I identify over 60,000 of these useful DNA regions, which could be the therapeutic targets to reshape our immunity. In fact, the 99% of human DNA, which was thought to be useless, carries enormous possibilities. Piece by piece, I firmly believe one day we will complete the treasure map of human genome, which will guide us to perfectly understand our immune system, so we can guarantee no rejection. Thank you.